What's up guys, John here again. So first off, I want to say thank you for all the love and support you guys have been giving me lately. So we just reached 4,000 subscribers, so thanks again for that. I'm really grateful, and it encourages me to keep doing these videos and keep producing more content. So again, thank you guys, and as always, any of these videos that you see, doesn't matter if this one's in the past, any of them, don't be afraid to share them wherever you'd like. That's what keeps me motivated, and by sharing them, we can reach more people, help them, hopefully get some cool parts on their truck. That's all what I'm about. Okay, so for today's video, I'm hoping we can finally get this sorted out. So I've tried several reverse bulbs, backup bulbs for my 2014 Ram 1500, and I've had nothing but issues with the CAN bus system, and bulbs that said they were CAN bus compatible but ended up illuminating a message on my dash. So I have another set here. These are supposed to be ones that may work, and again, I'm not holding my breath because all the other ones were supposed to work as well, but I just got them. They're again from Amazon. All this stuff I'm paying with my own money to get it done, but these ones are supposed to be very bright. So again, this is no tricks, no games. I just got them. They're made by this company, Fluid. I don't know how you say it, but anyways, that's what it is. But they're ridiculously bright. I don't know if you guys can see this. They're supposed to be 1700 lumens per bulb, so 2 times 1700s. So they're supposed to be literally the brightest LED that you can possibly get in this bulb type. The bulb type being 7440 if you guys are just stopping in. So I've been trying to get these sorted out for a little bit while, trying to get ones that'll work for us. And I mean, there's ones that you can get from Diode Dynamics or something like that, but again, I'm always trying to keep saving you guys money so you guys can spend more money on mods, because that's what I do myself. So we're gonna keep doing that. So here's what they look like once you open it up. One nice thing about these is they have LEDs all around the bulb, like 360 degrees. Oh, I'm dropping stuff here. But a lot of times, that's what I mean. A lot of times when you buy LEDs, bulbs, they have, you know, one here, one like every quarter around the bulb. They usually have an LED, but this one, literally, it's 360 degrees all the way around. There's an LED, and there's also a bunch in the end there as well. So these are supposed to be insanely bright, and because they have so many LED chips on them, or LED lights, whatever, that they're supposed to place a circuit or place enough load on the circuit that they won't throw that light or indication on my dash. And there's also some sort of chip inside, allegedly, that, you know, helps with that too. So again, not holding my breath, but they're supposed to be super bright. So let's go ahead and pop one of these bad boys in there during the day. We'll do a comparison as always, and also a comparison at night between both sides and before and after, and we'll see how they work. Alright guys, so I'm sure by now you guys all know the drill. I've done this a bunch of times in the other videos. For those of you that are just stopping in, I will show you. Basically, you're just gonna pop your tailgate. You're gonna get a T25 Torx bit. You're gonna pop these 2 screws out, and there's a specific way you want to take this tail light out. So once you get your 2 screws out like this, you are gonna take the tail light and you want to slide it back in this direction. So you're gonna grab it with your hand over here. You're gonna pop it back this way. Then you're gonna get your bulb. You're gonna turn this counterclockwise. It's gonna release. Take your bulb out. New bulb goes in like so, but you're gonna wanna test it because sometimes these are polarity sensitive. So let's go ahead and try the truck in reverse and make sure that this bulb is illuminated. Okay, so have a friend help you, make sure that it's illuminated. Of course this is. We're gonna go ahead and reinstall it. So now we can go ahead and put the taillight back in, but you wanna be conscious of these tabs here. And these are the tabs that they slip onto. So you're gonna wanna hook it and slide it onto the tab like this. You don't wanna sit there and try to take this taillight off, prying it this way or popping it out this way, because these tabs are gonna prevent you from doing that. So when you put it back in, you're gonna wanna slide that fork over top of this tab like so. So we're gonna grab our taillight, position those forks over those tabs, and you're gonna push forward. You're gonna hear that click. You're gonna take your 2 T25 Torx screws, put them in like so, and you're done. All right, so here's a comparison of how these bulbs look during the day. versus the stock one. Got this yellowish light, of course. I think it's easy to agree that the other ones are better, the LED of course. And that's what it's looking like here behind. So let's go ahead and compare at nighttime. Alright guys, we are now at nighttime of course, and this is the infamous projection against the wall. These lights are bright, so I'm very happy with how these are looking. These LEDs are super bright coming out of here. I'm sure you can tell by the glare in the camera. And this is the type of light that we have projecting against the wall. So they're very bright. Let me go ahead and show you guys how bright it is on the screen inside when you're reversing. Okay, so this is how much visibility we have looking in the screen or at the screen against the wall with those LEDs. So there is a little bit of ambient lighting here against this wall. So let's go ahead and pull into the middle of the parking lot where it's completely dark. Okay, so this is in complete darkness. This is the lighting that we have in the back, so it's still very good. There is a little bit of moisture on the ground, just finished raining, so that's why the ground looks a little bit wet and might be a little bit of glare too. So, and also you can see my exhaust fumes right now are because there's some condensation coming out of the exhaust. But let's go ahead and take a look at what they look at behind. Okay, so this is the kind of projection we have here. Again, there is a ton of light. Don't know if the camera fully captures it, but take my word for it guys, these are a lot brighter than the old ones. So a lot brighter than the stock halogens for sure. Here's a look from this angle and projection of some of the light. Hopefully you guys can see. Now jump up here in the cab and see if you can kind of see what's going on. So this is how much, if I'm standing in the bed of the truck, that's what we got going on in the back. So it is very good as far as the light that it's throwing. And I think the $1 million question you guys are probably wondering is, do they throw a message on the dash? So let me go ahead and show you. I only have the service tire pressure system indicator on because of course I don't have the TPMS sensors in these wheels. I gotta go ahead and get those done, but there's no, I can hit the button over here to cycle through my messages, no backup bulb out or reverse bulb out. So we are good to go guys. Finally I found a set that were affordable and that they work. So if you guys are interested in those, check out the link in the description below. As always guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that little bell icon that's next to the subscribe button. It'll let you know when the next video comes out. Still on schedule as always for every other day for new content. And I appreciate you guys' support, and I want to keep this thing rolling and keep this channel growing so we can sit there and get a lot more mods on this truck, see how far that we can get this 2014 Ram 1500 modded, and then also get some other vehicles and get more mods. So I'm just going to keep this thing rolling guys. As long as you guys give me feedback and you guys enjoy the content, it's going to be coming for a while. So thanks again guys, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care.